Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Technology Deep Dive for Friday, March 21st, 2025. We're covering market moves in technology, communications and healthcare indexes, stocks, and ETFs. I'm your host, Ira Roth. Let's dive in. Tech-related indexes finished mixed today. The Nasdaq 100 closed at 19,753.97, up 76.35. While the technology sector ended at 4,171.4, gaining 20.49. All indexes are showing very strong negative trends except the healthcare sector, which displays mixed positive momentum. Market breadth reveals significant weakness in today's trading. The Nasdaq 100 saw 81 declines versus 19 advances. The Nasdaq Composite showed even broader weakness with 2,400 declining stocks against just 784 advancing issues. Month-to-date returns highlight widespread tech sector weakness. The Nasdaq 100 is down 5.4%, while the Nasdaq Composite has fallen 5.6%. Only the healthcare sector shows relative strength, limiting its decline to 1.7%. Among top performers, Super Microcomputer led with a 7.8% gain to 42.15. Palantir Technologies rose 4% to 90.96, marking its third consecutive positive close. Gartner advanced 2.7% despite showing strong downward volatility. Year-to-date returns for top performers show Super Microcomputer leading with a 38.3% gain. Uber Technologies follows with 25.7% growth, while Palantir has advanced 20.3%. Among declining stocks, Micron Technology fell sharply, down 8% to 94.72. Monolithic Power Systems dropped 2.9% to 590.98. Western Digital broke downward after 3 days of sideways movement. Monthly performance shows Western Digital down 10.8%, while CrowdStrike has fallen 7%. Despite today's sharp decline, Micron maintains a positive year-to-date return of 12.5%. Technology ETFs showed mixed signals today. QQQ and Vanguard Information Technology both posted modest gains, while VanEck Semiconductor declined 1%. Notable breakouts occurred as QQQ moved upward and VanEck Semiconductor moved downward after 3 days of consolidation. All three display very strong negative trends. Returns analysis shows significant monthly declines. ProShares 3X bullish QQQ experienced the largest month-to-date drop at -17%, while its inverse fund, ProShares 3X bearish QQQ, gained nearly 16%. Week-to-date performance has been relatively flat across the standard ETFs.
Looking at stocks in tech industries, I'm Sally Short. Apple gained 4.17 to 218.27, showing a very strong negative trend. Meta Platforms rose 10.25 to 596.25, marking 3 consecutive up days. Microsoft broke upward from 3 days of flat trading, climbing 4.42 to 391.26. Weekly returns show mixed performance among tech leaders. Apple gained 2.2% for the week, while Meta Platforms declined 1.9%. Year-to-date, Apple and Alphabet have both declined about 12.8%. In semiconductor stocks, Wolfspeed led gains, rising 9.5% to 6.29. WiseKey International followed with an 8.9% increase to 4.63. SmartChem showed strong upward volatility, climbing 7.9% to 3.26. SmartChem has shown remarkable strength this week, surging 53.8%. Month-to-date, it's up 50.9%. DataVault AI has gained 19% this week, while Wolfspeed advanced 7.5%. In cloud computing stocks, Block led advances, gaining 5.8% to 57.22. Shopify rose for a third consecutive day, up 2.3% to 104.21. EPAM Systems showed some downward volatility, but managed to gain 1.7%. Weekly performance shows Shopify leading cloud stocks with a 9.9% gain. However, year-to-date numbers reveal challenges, with Block down 32.7% and EPAM Systems declining 25%. In AI and robotics, iRobot gained 3.7% to 3.28, despite showing a very strong negative trend. Boeing rose 3% to 178.11, marking its third consecutive up day. Symbotic advanced 3.4% to 22.39. Boeing shows the strongest weekly performance, up 10.1%. iRobot continues to struggle, down 54.9% month-to-date. Zebra Technologies has declined nearly 25% year-to-date despite today's gains. Examining thematic ETFs in AI and robotics, automation leads with a 1.1% gain to 26.18, showing two consecutive up days despite a strong negative trend. Spear Alpha and AI and Innovation Fund both broke upward after consolidating for 3 days. Looking at returns, automation shows relative strength with a week-to-date gain of 1.2%. Most funds show negative month-to-date returns, with Spear Alpha down 9% and AI and Innovation Fund down 6.3%. Electric vehicle stocks showed strength today, led by Nikola up 7.7% and Rivian gaining 6.6% to 11.60. Tesla rose 5.2% to 248.71, marking its third consecutive up day despite maintaining a strong negative trend. Week-to-date returns show Lucid leading with a 15.8% gain. Rivian is up 7.9% for the week. Year-to-date performance remains challenging across the sector, with Nikola down 89% and Tesla down 38%. In quantum computing, IonQ led gains, rising 5.2% to 22.26. Rigetti Computing edged up 0.88% to 9.7. TE Connectivity slipped slightly, down 0.075% to 146.17, marking its second consecutive declining day. Month-to-date returns show quantum computing leading with a 21.7% gain, while Rigetti Computing is up 7.2%. Despite today's gain, IonQ is down 9.4% for the month and 46.7% year-to-date. Solar stocks showed notable strength, with VivoPower International surging 52.1% to 1.29, marking 6 consecutive up days. Micron Technology broke out of a week-long consolidation, gaining 9.2% to 1.30. VivoPower International's momentum is reflected in its 87% weekly gain and 73% month-to-date return. Micron Technology shows positive momentum with a 12% monthly gain, while First Solar remains down 25% year-to-date. Among technology thematic ETFs, ARK Innovation ETF led gains, closing up 1.48 to 51.50, marking a 2.9% increase. Despite today's gains, all featured ETFs maintain strong negative trends, with Invesco DWA Technology Momentum ETF showing particularly strong downward momentum. Wisdom Tree Cloud Computing Fund has traded sideways for 4 days. Weekly returns show ARK Innovation ETF leading with a 4.7% gain, while month-to-date performance remains challenging across the board. ARK FinTech Innovation ETF has shown the best year-to-date resilience, down just 3.9%, while Invesco DWA Technology Momentum ETF has seen the steepest decline at -14.3%.
And with that, we wrap up another end-of-day technology deep dive. I'm Ira Roth, along with my AI co-host Sally Short. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew. Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency, and commodities. Thanks for watching.